Seiko has just released new model SPB511 63 Mars with Racheting Diver extension on its bracelet. But can this new bracelet fit to old 63 Mars model? Example SPB143, SPB149. The answer is yes, but with imperfection. You can see the end link is not stay fixed, it can be wiggle and leave a blank space. So, we have this conversion kit for you. Before install the bracelet, please place this black spacer piece at underside of the case. Then, install the end link normally from underside, same as our video. Use the tool to guide the spring bar into the holes. Now, you can see the bracelet end link is stay fixed, not wiggle anymore. Do the same at the other side. Done. We install SPB511 bracelet into old generation 63 Mars SPB149 successfully. We can enjoy the Racheting Diver extension feature now, and also the new bracelet with new design from Seiko. However, the end link shape from new model is not perfectly for old model lugs. You'll be the judge. My customer are happy with new bracelet now.